The factory originated in 1984. The company covers an area of 40,000 square meters. Our annual output of grinding wheel exceeds 1 million tons. We have 55 complete production lines. Each automatic production line can produce 10,000 grinding wheels in one day. Our company has the longest tunnel kiln in China for firing grinding wheels. Our company has produced thousands of products, grinding wheels of various sizes and materials. As one of the professional resin abrasive tool manufacturers in China, we control each grinding wheel with perfect detection system and a strict process. Product testing. Export to multiple countries. Our products are exported to various countries.